I will not do it.
How's that new chain? You gotta tighten that chain up.
Yep.
Just get that last one right there. Great chainsaw, great investment. You know, really light. Again, you can use with one hand if if you have to kind of reach and get to a certain area. I just we got a new chain on it. Was a little expensive. I think it was $35 for this chain. I wanted to have a Makita on it. Yeah, because I really like the way it cut. So I didn't mind. And you know, the amount of money you get for taking this stuff down, you know, it's gonna happen. We definitely got our money's worth out of that first chain, but that's it. We're pretty much done cutting. We took down two, you know, little trees here, nothing huge, but as you can see, a lot of the weed killer 41 glyphosate is doing its job to a degree. We're gonna do this one probably next week. We got so much other stuff to do, so you know, when I took this job, I'm like, listen, we're gonna do a little bit every week. I don't have time to, you know, spend the whole day here, 2 days here to get all this out of here, and they were fine with it. So we're just gonna cut this up and move on to the next one. And you gotta watch out, we found a lot of birds' nests. We had 2 birds' nests we found, and thank God there was no eggs in them or anything. So all right, I'll keep you updated. If you guys remember last week how this looked, you'll eventually see nothing here but rock. Believe it or not, this is gonna be the hardest shit. This stuff sucks. Right here, ripping all this shit out of here. But, all right, we're gonna cut this up. We'll catch you. Right, Juan?
You want me to do it with the small one?
What do you say, Juan?
How are you, buddies? Enjoying this beautiful weather and cutting